Mateo, thanks for joining us here at Nitro. Let's jump right into this little interview that we got. TacomaBeast.com is awesome. Can you tell us a little background on how you got started and where you're from?
Yeah, man, so thanks for having me. I've had a lot of fun this last 2 days that I've been here with you guys. TacomaBeast basically started off in my garage, man. I just started selling decals, the Instagram page. It all started off of the Instagram page that we have. Started selling decals. From there we went to selling t-shirts, hoodies, and then I just really wanted to be able to have a little bit more. There wasn't a one-stop shop for the Toyota Tacoma, and I wanted to be, that. I wanted to be able to have a one-stop shop for all your Tacoma needs, and that's exactly what TacomaBeast is. But apart from all that, man, now it's just become, a lifestyle where I just travel the country, documented. We have a YouTube channel on it, and so far it's been awesome to see the community grow, man. It's been really cool.
So people can go to your site and get all kinds of things that are specific to the Tacoma platform. What are a few of your favorite parts that you sell on the regular?
So overall, our armor is super cool. Headlights, you have tail lights, which are amazing. You got your Prince roof rack, which is one of our customers' favorite items, and mine as well. I mean, if you guys have a stock Tacoma and you simply just add that, roof rack to your truck, it just automatically makes it super cool. You're just not gonna stop looking at your truck. But if you had to choose one, definitely I would go with the suspension system that we have. It's extremely cheap, and for what you're getting, you get to compete against guys that are spending like $3,000 on suspension systems.
Awesome. So this one's yours. Do you mind giving us like a little walk around of what you've done so far to your Tacoma?
Yeah, absolutely, man. So up in the front we have CBI's T3 front bumper. All the light bars on this truck are from Pertic. Really cool light bars. If you guys are looking and not sure which ones to get, the light output on this thing is just absolutely insane. And we have Spider Autos headlights. These are actually prototypes. They are going to be available by the end of February 2019. For the suspension system, like I said, we have the iBox Pro truck lift system. It's sitting at about 2 inches of lift. And then we don't have any lower control arm or upper control arms just yet, because I really wanted to test this suspension system without them and see, if it could really take the bang, and it has. It has not let me down at all. It's been insane. For the tires, we decided to go with Mickey Thompson's, the Baja Claw TTC. Wheels are the Stealth Custom Series F5s. Tire dimension is 315 by 75, rim 16. The back spacing on this is, on the wheels, are 3.5 and -25 offset. Yeah.
What about these sweet rock sliders? I mean,
dude,
these look like they'll take a hit.
And yeah, and they come out with the kick out, which is really cool because it allows me to really climb up here, and just really play around with my roof rack. It's really cool, man. I like these sliders. These are also from CBI, and they are available at TacomaBeast.com. Now in the back we have the high clearance rear bumper with the dual swing out. It's been super cool overall, especially going camping. Let me show you guys real quick. You just open this up. You got your setup right there. If you want to have tables, table over here, table over there, and then you have the addition, which I really have to just open this up. So between the tailgate door and these two additional doors, you just have tons of space. In the back we have the deck system, which has allowed us to stay extremely organized on our road trip. And then just all the stuff that I've been carrying that has been moving around due to the 2,000 miles that, we've been.
Who makes the adventure rack?
Who makes the what?
Who makes the adventure rack? This rack that you have, the bed rack.
That is also from CBI. This is CBI's Overland bed rack. It's actually aluminum. I had to start, decreasing the amount of weight that I was just adding to the truck, just because. And even like that, I mean, this one has the D-Verse Stage 2, which are the Expedition Series leaf pack.
Yeah.
And even then, you can see that it has a sort of a sag, and I'm gonna have to go to Stage 3.
Yeah, that's a sweet rack. So when you go camping, obviously you use the rooftop tent. How does that setup work? You like it?
Dude, so
a lot of people that don't own a rooftop tent, they want to know about it. Yep. You know what I mean?
I really like it. I mean, overall the look is super nice, and also setting it up, it's a 5, 6, 7 thing process. Just quickly open right up, pop up the thing, and basically you're done. You can get a little bit more in detail as to opening up the windows and stuff like that, but if you're in a hurry, you can just simply pop it right up. The stairs come right down, jump back in there and camp, which is usually what I have to do because I'm always in a hurry. And I'll just open it up real quick and just hop right on.
Cool. Looks like you have S-Pod handling all your electronic auxiliary stuff.
Oh yeah, dude, let me show you that. So that's actually one of the nicest features on this Tacoma. We actually mounted it right here, and so I'm gonna click it right now. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this just all lit up blue. And then basically just by clicking these things, all my light bars go on. I can actually add it to my air locker, my front locker, and whatever it is that I want, if I want to keep adding lights to it.
So you just got re-geared, and it looks like, you know, you also had an ARB installed. Did you go front or rear with the ARB?
So I already had the rear locker. This is a TRD off-road.
Right.
So I decided to go with the front locker just because it's gonna make things a lot better.
Yeah.
Also with the re-gear, man, I am absolutely stoked. Like, coming off of the driveway, I just simply let my foot off of the gas and the truck started moving, and I was just fascinated by that. You know, normally off of my driveway, I could basically lift the foot off of my brake and the truck, it would take some time for the truck to start moving, and it was crazy.
You got idle back.
Oh yeah, it's insane.
Awesome.
And now I just step on the gas and this thing's ready to go. It's insane.
That's awesome. So a whole lot more torque and everything like that down low. Did you get to, on your test drive, did you get to ride on the highway at all yet?
Yeah.
Okay,
so
cool.
On the highway, we actually reached 45, 60 miles per hour normally, and going uphill. Normally by then, this truck would be screaming at 4,000 plus RPMs. Dude, this thing didn't even, it was barely passing 3,000 RPM. It was insane. I really want to break in the gears because I just want to rip it.
Yep. 500 mile break in and you'll be able to have some real fun with it.
Oh yeah.
So, all right. So, you know, you obviously did the gearing last and everything like that. Would you change that if you were to rebuild this truck?
So definitely, man. I did a huge mistake not having re-geared the truck from the start. Especially with all the weight that I added to it. I mean, dude, I added basically, these are 315s. You know, between the front bumper, the sliders, the skid plate, you know, the rear bumper. Oh well, all the weight that I just added to this truck and I didn't re-gear. I'm just thinking like how much money I could have saved on gas, especially with all the road travel that I do. Definitely, if I had to go back, I would re-gear the truck, then get the tires and add everything else to it. Definitely recommend that, guys.
So, you know, we just want to say that we're really happy to do business with you guys. I mean, given that Tacoma has won, you know, countless awards year after year, we know that platform is not going anywhere. We know that TacomaBeast.com is here to stay, and we're glad that Nitro is being picked up by you guys. We're looking forward to listing the gear packages and the axle shafts and the traction devices that you may need up on the website. So, you know, thanks for doing business with us and coming out. Where did you drive out from? Because we're in Washington right now for a lot of the people that, you know, don't know where our headquarters is based out of.
So we drove all the way from Austin, Texas. Up to now, we've driven around 2,500 miles just to get here. It was definitely something we needed to do, and I'm extremely happy that I did that. I'm definitely going back home with a smile on my face.
Awesome, man. Thanks for coming out.